How to log in to Shopify account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Shopify account. In order to log in to your Shopify account, first of all you'll need to ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have that account, first of all open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in shopify.com. This is the official URL of Shopify. Once entered, press on enter button to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Shopify. Here at the top right, you will be able to see or locate login link. Click on this link and then you will be presented with this login interface. Here now you will need to enter your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address that is associated to your account. Once after entering your email address, press on the enter button. Now you will be directed to your Google account. Here you will need to enter your email address and click on this next button at the bottom right. Now you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Once after entering your password, you may also click on this show password checkbox right here in order to reveal and check if you have entered the correct one or not. And after that, click on this next button at the bottom right. After that, you will be able to log in to your Shopify account. Now you can customize it further by completing your profile. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Shopify account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.